So here we have a just unboxed Emerson heat fan. This is a blender fan, popularly known as the Strato-Jet. Dates from around 1983, 1984. This is a single speed 52-inch 3-blade K55 ceiling fan. Very strong motor, very heavy motor. So this is going to go up and replace this Emerson turn of the century here, and that way we'll have two blender fans that both came to me new in box. We'll have that 36-incher right there and this 52-incher right here. So take a quick look. Comes in a banjo box with the motor on one end and the blades running the full length. We've got original instructions here, dated May of 1983. So apparently we should expect this fan to move 27,000 CFM. This is a HF 1152, according to this box. Made in USA, very proud of that fact. So according to the end of the box here, it's an HF 1152. They also had a European edition that was 240 volt and an industrial version that ran on 277 volts. Not sure what that means. When we reference the owner's manual, they just showed two 52-inch versions, the 1152 and the 1052, that apparently are both 52-inch, 120 volt, 60 hertz. The only difference is that the 1052 has a lower RPM, lower amperage, and moves less air. So I'm guessing that they're both a 52-inch heat fan. Looks like the 1152 is just a stronger, better built version, and the 1052 is underpowered and cheap. Luckily, I have the strong, better built version here. So, we have fiberglass blades, which form a unique hub with a sunburst design. The edge of these blades is actually very sharp. It's almost been sharpened. You could slice a tomato with it. It's hard to show on camera, but that edge is absolutely sharp enough to slice skin. I have a feeling this fan's going to make a loud whipping sound. So we've got a J-hook style canopy, but ball and socket mount. Here's our hanger bracket. Glossy brown down rod. Emerson had a lot of browns going on in the 80s. This is a glossy brown. That blender fan, made only a few years earlier, is a metallic bronze. This is a textured brown. So we got that going on. It's a metal down rod ball. And we have this motor. It's the Emerson Electric. So collectors of a certain age all have a childhood story about where they saw one of these fans, these Strato-Jets. It's a unique version of the blender fan. It's a really unique look when it's installed because of this silver shiny chrome Emerson Electric center hubcap with these starburst radial blades that go around it. It's a unique look as you stand underneath and look up. Now, I know Dan Newman mentioned that this was a childhood fan for him, and it was for me as well, which is why I bought it as soon as I saw it on eBay. In my case, there was a grocery store in Montvale, New Jersey called DePiro's, which no longer exists, but in their cafe, They had 4 of these. It was a high atrium setup with about a 3-story ceiling, and there were 4 of this exact fan, way, way up there, always running on high. So it's nice to have one of these. I'm going to set this up as my bedroom fan here, and then we'll come back with another video of the Strato-Jet.